If I told you that you could earn 10,000 Brazilian reals per month without a job, would you believe it? Most people think this is impossible until they see how it really works. The truth is that traditional jobs are designed to keep you trapped, giving you just enough so you don't leave, but never enough for you to become truly free. Today, you'll understand why your mindset might be holding you back from thriving and how to change that to start making money independently. In the next 40 minutes, I will show you, step by step, how to shift from an employee mindset to a wealth-building mindset. Now, before we get into the practical part, I want you to think about something. Have you ever felt like you work all day, but at the end of the month, everything you earn barely covers your bills? It seems like the more you work, the more you get stuck in this endless cycle. This happens because the traditional work model is designed to make those above you richer. When you sell hours of your day to a boss, you are limiting your earnings to what they think you're worth, not to what you could actually make. It's like running on a treadmill. You're always moving but never going anywhere. Now, you might be wondering, but if I don't have a job, how will I make money? And this is where the most important part of this video comes in. The problem isn't the job itself, but the way you think about money. Most people grow up hearing that they need to study, get a good job, and retire after 30 or 40 years of work. But this model was created at a time when that made sense. Today, reality is different. The people who truly become wealthy are not the ones who work the hardest, but those who understand how money works. If you want to earn 10,000 Brazilian reals per month without needing a boss, the first thing you need to change is your mindset. Have you ever heard of a scarcity mindset? It's that way of thinking that always makes you feel like money is limited, hard to get, and that only a few people can become rich. Now, compare that to an abundance mindset. People who think this way know that money is everywhere and that there are always opportunities to create wealth. The difference between those who earn little and those who earn a lot isn't luck. It's how they see the world. And I know it might seem difficult to change your mindset, but I'm going to show you a simple exercise to do it right now. Take a piece of paper and write down 3 statements you believe about money. Something like, money is hard to earn, only the rich get richer, or if I make a lot of money, I'll lose friends. Now, question these statements. Are they really true, or are they beliefs that have been implanted in you? Replace each one with an abundant statement, such as, money is abundant, the more I learn, the more I earn, or wealth allows me to help more people. This exercise may seem simple, but it completely changes the game for those who apply it. Now that you understand how to change your mindset, let's get into the practical part. There are 3 main ways to earn 10,000 Brazilian reals per month without a traditional job, and I will show you exactly how each one works. The first way is through active income, which basically means offering a service or product and getting paid directly for it. This includes work like freelancing, consulting, digital arbitrage, and service provision. For example, if you know how to edit videos, you can sell that service to content creators and charge for each edit. If you can create digital artwork, you can design and sell on platforms like Fiverr. The advantage of active income is that it allows you to start making money immediately without needing significant investments. The second model is semi-passive income, which involves creating systems that work for you even when you're not working all the time. One example is affiliate marketing, where you recommend products and earn commissions from sales. Another example is drop shipping, where you sell products without maintaining inventory. With this strategy, you start building an income flow that grows over time. And finally, we have passive income, the most powerful model of all. This is a way to generate money without directly trading your time for it. One of the best examples is creating digital products like online courses and ebooks, which keep selling even when you're not working. Another example is investments, where your money works for you. The great advantage of this model is that it creates long-term financial freedom. Now that you know the 3 models for making money without a job, I will show you a practical step-by-step guide to start today. First, choose a model that makes sense for you. If you need quick money, start with active income. If you want to build something more sustainable, go for semi-passive income. And if your goal is total independence, start structuring a passive income. Second, validate your idea before investing time and money. For example, if you want to sell a service as a freelancer, offer it to a few people and see if there's demand. If you want to sell a digital product, test a smaller version before creating something big. Third, create an extra income source before quitting your job. Most people fail because they try to leave everything behind at once. The ideal approach is to build your new income source while you still have a salary, ensuring a smooth transition. If this content made sense to you, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And remember, money always goes to those who understand how it works. The choice is yours, that make you lose money without realizing it. Many people try to leave their jobs but keep making mistakes that waste their time and money. Here are the 5 most common mistakes. Relying on only one source of income, ignoring the importance of networking, not learning valuable skills for the digital market, spending without planning, fear of investing in personal growth, the ultimate action plan, what to do in the next 30 days, a practical, step-by-step guide on what you should do over the next 4 weeks to transform your mindset and start your financial journey. Daily and weekly activities that guarantee quick and consistent results. Now, let's get straight to the point. The practical step-by-step guide to reaching 10,000 Brazilian reals per month without needing a traditional job. This roadmap is structured to be applied over the next 30 days, ensuring you get quick results while also building a solid foundation for your financial freedom. Week 1. Reprogramming your mindset and choosing your income source. White heavy checkmark day 1. Eliminate limiting beliefs about money. Write down everything you believe about money. Question these beliefs and replace them with abundant statements. Read these new statements aloud every morning. White heavy checkmark day 2. Identify your profitable skills. List everything you already know how to do that could be sold as a service or product. Research on Google and YouTube how to monetize these skills. White heavy checkmark day 3. Choose a path. Decide which of the 3 income types you want to start with. Active income, freelancing, consulting, digital arbitrage. Semi-passive income, affiliate marketing, dropshipping. Passive income, digital products, investments. White heavy checkmark days 4 to 7. Intensive learning and planning. Consume free and paid content about your chosen area. Model people who have already succeeded in this path. Create a detailed action plan to start next week, and so on for the next weeks. Now you have a fully practical 30-day plan to go from zero to generating income without relying on a traditional job. The choice is in your hands. You can stay in the same cycle or take control of your financial life. If you follow this step-by-step plan, you will see changes much sooner than you expect. If this content helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Leave a comment about which part of the plan you like the most, and let's go together on this journey toward financial freedom.